Welcome everybody to this video. My name is Klaus Bärnthaler and I am the Vice President at ANDRITZ and responsible for our marine exhaust gas cleaning business. In my professional life, I gained almost 30 years of experience in design and build of flue gas cleaning plants. ANDRITZ is a globally leading supplier of plants and equipment for different industries. ANDRITZ has over 280 company locations worldwide. We have almost 27,000 employees, and in 2021 we had an order intake of 7.9 billion euro. And our headquarters is in Graz in Austria. For the shipping industry, we supply our SOVs, controllable pitch propellers. We are supplying separators, filter presses, centrifuges, as well as all types of exhaust gas cleaning technologies. ANDRITZ has been for almost 40 years a leading supplier of scrubbers, filter systems and catalytic systems for the removal of any air pollutant from power plants, waste-to-energy plants or any other industrial processes. So it was a logical step that we entered the maritime market in the year 2018, and in this year we sold our first marine scrubbers and the first marine filter system. Meanwhile, we have references for all of our products and we are engaged in research and development of new technologies. In a series of 5 videos, you will get an insight in our competencies and product, which are the SeaSOx scrubber. We are offering them in different shapes and designs. Each of these systems has its advantage in terms of required space, in terms of operating profile, availability and cost. From ANDRITZ you will get scrubbers that are optimized to your needs and in the highest quality. SeaSOx filtration is a unique dry technology which removes SOx, particles and NOx in one step. Our running reference unit proves the high efficiency and especially the almost complete removal of fine dust, and this is a really significant benefit for human health. Our SeaSOx port solution will help port and terminal operators to fulfill the requirements for upcoming regulations for ships during their stay in port. This system will also remove SOx, NOx and particles from the exhaust gases of any type of vessels during their stay in the port. Carbon capture for shipping, we are developing together with a partner using a most advanced membrane technology. This technology will be a breakthrough when you consider the required space, the energy consumption and the costs of these systems all together. In the area of project execution and service, we can refer to our competence, which we got through the successful execution of numerous projects of any size. So when you are looking for reliability, technological competence, project execution expertise and financial strength, ANDRITZ would be the right choice for your investment in cleaning the exhaust gases from vessels. If you want to know more, please follow our upcoming videos or contact me or my colleagues. Details you will find on our homepage under andritz.com/SeaSOx. Thanks for watching.